All right, court is calling 2021 CR 7498, State of Texas versus Jacqueline.
Okay, pause. Did you catch that? Jacqueline's being asked to confirm if she's the same person who pled guilty back in 2021 for possessing a jaw-dropping amount of drugs up to 200 grams. That's not just a little bit. Folks, that's felony level serious.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Jacqueline C. Sanchez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7498 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on December 10th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 12th day of February 2024 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Jacqueline C. Sanchez, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the court officer, supervision officer, and or duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Your Honor, state we resolve the violations.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Now here comes the hammer. This is where the judge reminds her. Pleading true could land her 20 years behind bars and a $10,000 fine. That's not just a slap on the wrist, that's a life reset. Would you plead true if those were the stakes?
That is our proposed agreement, Your Honor.
All right, why should I give her the minimum? What has she done on probation?
Judge, I can tell you that she did complete drug court. Unfortunately, she kind of fell short in reentry court. She had tons and tons of negative UAs. She had been working really, really hard. I believe that the underlying offense was 7 grams, so I know it's 4,200, but it was closer to the 4 than it was a 200. And so she does have, I think, 139 days in jail. She just really just wants to put this behind her and move on with her life. She tells me she's been working for 2 years at the Tower of Americas. She's hoping they'll keep her job open for her, depending upon how, if you follow the recommendation, how long it takes for her to parole. She's got a house that she bought. Her kids are living in it. They've been paying the rent. She's hoping that will sustain itself while she's gone. But Judge, she just wants to put this behind her and move on. But she did do a significant amount of work on this probation.
All right, do you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes,
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Jacqueline C. Sanchez.
All right, why didn't you do well in drug court?
I'm sorry, what was that again?
Why did you not do well in felony drug court?
I didn't have the money to pay for the UAs, ma'am.
No, felony drug court usually will not remove you from their program because you can't pay UAs. Are you telling the court that you were removed from felony drug court because you couldn't pay for the UA?
And I had a relapse. I had drank 4 beers, ma'am.
Did she actually graduated from drug court, I believe,
Mhm.
and then she went to the reentry. So I think she completed drug court. So I don't think she had a problem doing drug court. I think it's when she got out.
So here's my question. Why did they remove you from their reentry program?
Because I drank 4 beers, ma'am, on the 23rd.
No, usually it's more than that because felony drug court usually understands relapses. Am I wrong in that? Did they not understand that you had a relapse?
They usually do, ma'am, but this time they felt like I played them.
What do you mean by they felt like you played them?
They felt like I was lying. I lied to them.
Okay. All right. Probation?
Judge, the note that was received from drug court
Well,
was,
just 1 second. Any objections to probation giving me some insight in whether or not I should follow this agreement?
Okay. And also, they found on my phone that I was trying to get methadone for a friend because he relapsed and he was trying to get clean, and that's what I was doing. And I had somebody else ask me I was looking for marijuana for somebody.
Wait a minute, what?
I was looking for marijuana for somebody. They asked me to look for it. They text me if I could find it, and I told them yeah, but I never got to doing that.
Oh, so now we're getting to the point. So you
There it is. She admits she was trying to score methadone and weed for someone else, even while in the reentry program. That's like lighting a match in a fireworks factory. How do you think the judge will react to that level of helpfulness?
Nope, you made choices. They're not mistakes, they're choices. All right, is there anything else?
Judge, again, we just ask that you consider the fact that she did spend a lot of time in drug court. She has been straightforward with you, I believe. And ask you to follow the state's recommendation of 2 years TDC.
All right, and do you want me to hear from probation or no, counsel?
Sure. I
No?
don't think my client's trying to hide anything, Judge.
Okay. Probation?
The information that was received from felony drug court was, she did finish the program successfully. However, during the aftercare portion, there were UA tests with positive ETG results.
And just when you think it couldn't get worse, probation reveals the text showed. Her negotiating drug deals, not just helping a friend, not a misunderstanding, straight up trafficking talk. That minimum sentence request, yeah, ... about that.
Willing to accept for that, and it just was there not.
All right, so this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 6 true.
So I think it's,
I'm sorry, number 2 true.
Yes.
Thank you. Violation of condition number 2. The court is finding that to be true. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money were run concurrent. Was the $57 ever paid for the laboratory testing? Do you know if you ever paid that?
Drug court?
Ah.
Okay,
Okay.
no, I have not taken.
Okay. There should be $57 restitution to SAPD for laboratory testing. If you would like, I could have you referred to the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase your time at the prison. It's just something to hopefully help you maintain your sobriety.
Okay, I'll take that.
Interesting twist here, the judge offers a chance at the therapeutic community program in prison. It's not extra time, but it could actually help her stay sober. Smart move by the court, or just a lifeline she may not take.
Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I'm just leaving it to me right now.
Okay.
I explained to you. So you have one of the documents. You understand?
All right, did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right. Because this is not, I did not follow your proposed agreement with regards to sentencing. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. Even though you're going to the prison, if you get out of prison and you need help, you feel as though that's not being addressed, so you don't know who to contact, felony drug court is always available, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Good luck to you. Court is calling, excuse me, 2023 CR 1149, 2023 CR 11150, State of Texas versus Christopher Adam Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state
Allie Jackson.
defense?
Shannon Mark for Christopher Rodriguez.
And are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in each cause number and reviewed that discovery with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications?
No applications, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Rodriguez, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment in each cause number?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented in each cause number?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving count 2 in each indictment and proceeding on count 1 and the habitual enhancements.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendant's waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes.
In each cause number, you're charged with unlawfully carrying a weapon with a felony conviction. Normally, the range of punishment for that offense is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If the state is able to prove up the habitual allegation, then the range of punishment will be 25 years to 99 years or life with a possible fine up to $10,000. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
A Ring door camera capturing the terror that a San Antonio man with a violent criminal history let loose on a Stone Oak neighborhood on Sunday.
The man banging on the back window of a door and threatening to start shooting if they didn't let him inside. And that's not all. Our Daniela Ibarra with the video and a frightened homeowner who watched it all unfold live.
This video gives Lisa Sin chills.
It still feels like a nightmare.
On Sunday, Sin watched on her phone as this man strolls up to her door, gun in hand. Her kids hid inside their Stone Oak home alone.
I was just praying that he wouldn't do anything to hurt my kids. Take my stuff. I don't care, but don't hurt my kids.
34-year-old Christopher Rodriguez is accused of terrorizing several neighbors in Summer Glen.
Actually, one of our neighbors picked him up in the back of his truck and took him outside of the community.
An incident report from the Bexar County Sheriff's Office says that neighbor drove Rodriguez to the nearby Canyon Springs golf course. The report says Rodriguez pulled a gun on the neighbor, telling him, quote, he had 2 choices and that neither of them were good. Rodriguez, who was out on parole, has a violent criminal history dating back more than 15 years. Just last week, BCSO began investigating after a woman accused Rodriguez of punching her while Rodriguez drove a car and then at the couple's apartment. Assaults, according to BCSO, that took place in front of a newborn baby. That same woman told deputies Rodriguez tortured and killed her cat in front of her in May.
This guy has a rap sheet a mile long. There's no reason why he should have been on the streets in the first place.
While Rodriguez is now in custody, Sin says her family struggles to feel safe.
We're all a little traumatized right now.
This is heartbreaking. A mom watches helpless as a man with a gun threatens her kids through a Ring cam, and the man out on parole with a rap sheet that could stretch around the block. How does someone like that slip through the system again and again?